Today we talk about the strongest setup in price action and how you guys can use it to increase your P&L drastically. Let's get into this one. Traders, welcome back to day 54 on the Road to 20 PA video series. Today we went 1-0, and we also had a missed trade which we did not get filled on, and we'll get into that a little bit later with the live trades. But let me just talk to you for a second about the strongest setup in price action. My personal favorite. I love this setup very much, and it works for me very high amounts of the time. It's going to be the second entry long at the EMA when you're expecting prices to get a new extreme. So let's start with the price action over here with this downtrend working lower. As you can see, we have a downtrend working lower, and we finally get a break of this trend line right here, and then it goes back down and gets a new extreme of the downtrend, which means the downtrend has played out, and you can expect correction or reversal. So let's mark this real quick. Downtrend played out with the break and new extreme. And then as you can see, after we get this downtrend break and new extreme, and the low of the downtrend was right here, and as soon as we push past it, we go sideways, we start consolidating, and that's a good sign that the market is entering a new market cycle or a new market phase, which is going to be this trading range right here. So we get the break, new extreme, new market cycle starting, we get the trading range, and right here, you don't really want to buy, you don't really want to sell, because you're not sure if the market's going to continue to push lower, if it's going to instantly reverse and go higher. We had a lot of bearish momentum coming into this range, so you don't want to instantly go long reversing the market. You need to see some confirmation setups that the market is reversing itself. So as you can see, we pushed up from the bottom of the trading range, went down in these two legs, nothing really here to trade, going back up again, and then right here is where you get the interesting break of the top of the trading range, and you get a second entry long, breakout pullback, triple test setup with this shortened uptrend, getting a break, and you're expecting it to get a new extreme right here. And as you can see, I go talk about this in the live trade, but if this trend was going to reverse back into the trading range and the market wasn't reversing to the upside, at this measured move from this first leg, you would have gotten reversal or correction, but we don't get that. We push higher, and it's a good sign that the bulls are in the market now, and the market's ready to reverse. So you finally get a break of the shortened uptrend, and from this high you get pullback, first entry long, pullback, second entry long at EMA, great green signal bar, triple test. You have one test here, two test here, three test here, and it's a breakout pullback pattern of the trading range. And as you can see, we took some good profits on this trade, and I'll let you guys watch it in live time right now. All right, guys, starting the video.
Order submitted.
So I'm planning on taking my first trade of the day, if it forms right. See if we can get a good entry. We got second entry long at the EMA. Great signal bar, great rejection off EMA. Shortened downtrend played out. The uptrend needs new extreme. It's triggered. We're at the bottom of the support too. If you draw a line like this, like moi.
Order submitted.
All right, and we are filled. Let's see if we can get the scalp real quick. Again, from this high, you had uptrend working higher. You had a break of the uptrend. Once you get a break of the uptrend, you can expect a new extreme to be reached of that uptrend. And then from this high, you have pullback, first entry long, pullback, shortened downtrend, got a break, and new extreme. And then you have second entry long over this great signal bar at the EMA. So let's see if we can work higher.
Target filled. Order filled.
All right, and we're filled. Let's move our stop loss to break even. Again, we had this downtrend working lower all day, but towards the end, I did adjust this downtrend a bunch of times. It was something like this at first, and as you can see, if it was like this, I had the bottom of it drawn like this, and we had a break and new extreme and downtrend played out, and then we went sideways for a little bit, and then we shot up, surpassing the measured move on this bar like this. We are well past the measured move, and if the market was still in a trading range and we were still going back and forth, we would have reversed further back down when this measured move was met. But we pushed past it, which is a good sign for the bulls, and we broke the previous 1, 2, 3, 4 highs. So we were trading up, and then we had uptrend working higher, break, and we had uptrend working higher, and then a break of the uptrend working higher, and then a second entry long perfectly at the EMA. Great signal bar. It's also a triple test from this support. You can see we tested this level 1 time right here, 2 times right here, 3 times right here. Great high probability setup, and now this uptrend played out with the break and a new extreme, and we could expect some reversal back down to the downside since this uptrend played out. But let's see if we can get a runner. It's not looking too hopeful. The day has been back and forth for today, but you never know in the market. So let's keep ourselves available for profits, and let's see if we can run it.
Stop filled.
Alright, and our stop just got filled. As you can see, we got a really decent runner. The measured move is about right here, but I started trailing the runner a little bit tighter when we reached the open of day, which is this yellow line right here. And that's exactly why I like to use this current day open, high, low indicator that marks the open, high, and low of the market today. So a lot of times when you come to this level of market open, it will bounce off it and give you some correction. So that's why I trailed it a little bit tighter, took some good profits there, and I think I'm going to wrap it up for today. And those were our 2 live trades for the day, along with one of my favorite setups in price action trading. I hope you guys can take what I showed you and implement it into your own videos, because this setup works a very high amount of the times for me, and I hope you guys can use it to your advantage in your own trading. And if you guys are still watching up until this point, that means you probably liked the video. So please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Helps me out a whole bunch, and I love hearing from you guys what you guys thought about the trading day and what you think about the videos. With that said, I hope you guys had a wonderful trading day. I hope you guys made $1 million today. And I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Peace.